Love and compassion are necessities, not luxuries. Without them, humanity cannot survive. Our task must be to free ourselves by widening our circle of compassion to embrace all living creatures and the whole of nature and its beauty. The purpose of human life is to serve and to show compassion and the will to help others. Compassion will cure more sins than condemnation. True compassion means not only feeling another's pain but also being moved to help relieve it. Compassion is to look beyond your own pain to see the pain of others. Compassion and tolerance are not a sign of weakness but a sign of strength. Our immigration policy should be based in compassion and a desire to help the other. A kind gesture can reach a wound that only compassion can heal. When we match compassion with purpose, we begin to conquer the world. Have compassion for all beings, rich and poor alike. Each has their suffering. Some suffer too much, others too little. Life is an exciting business, and most exciting when it is lived for others. Humanity's collective mission in the cosmos lies in the practice of compassion. Compassion is about giving all the love that you have got. You have not lived today until you have done something for someone who can never repay you. When you have learned compassion for yourself, compassion for others is automatic. Let our hearts be stretched out in compassion toward others, for everyone is walking his or her own difficult path. Compassion may be defined as the capacity to be attentive to the experience of others, to wish the best for others, and to sense what will truly serve others. Out of compassion, I destroy the darkness of their ignorance. From within them, I light the lamp of wisdom and dispel all darkness from their lives. Make no judgments where you have no compassion.